guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to share with you guys. If you have pets in your home, if you have dust allergies, things like that, this is the type of easy to use air purifier, negative ionizer that you might be interested in having in your home. One of the things I really like about it is that it's very portable, right? You can have multiple of these in your home, and you're not having to, like a big air purifier, you're not having this bulky device that's sitting on the floor of your home. And this is super easy to move around because it simply plugs in. Now you'll find this at the bottom, depending on which type of electricity outlets you have, because works in different countries. So if you have the type of power that I do, you would simply attach this to the back to plug it in. The other reasons I really like that is this is super easy if you travel and want to take this with you. I'm thinking if you are in hotels a lot, this would be super easy to pack in your bag. And again, if you're traveling overseas from the United States and you have other types of power, the adapter is already right there for you. I'm gonna plug it in and let you listen to it so you can hear what it sounds like. So I want to show you how easy it is to have these, and literally you could have multiples all over your house. You're going to just plug it in, and then I'm going to push this little button that's right here on the side and let you hear what it sounds like. I'm going to see if it'll pick up on my microphone. It literally, if you are going to be able to hear it, I would say it's most likely because you're very close to it. If you're up walking around, I really don't think you would even notice it because it's just a really gentle fan that you can hear blowing. I would say, I had mentioned if you travel and you have this in a hotel room, I would be okay taking one of them. But in your home, if you have a large bedroom, I would probably have a couple of them. I would have, a couple of them in my, like a large living room area. You could have one in your dining room. Another thing I want to point out is that while it does help to remove pet dander and dust and things like that in the air, this is not going to do anything to eliminate pet hair in your home. So it's not actively collecting, pet hair. You're still going to have to sweep and do things like that in your house at the same time. But if you're looking for a way to help remove some of those allergens from your home in a really convenient way, I'm telling you, I love this setup because like I mentioned before, you're not having something big or bulky sitting on the ground. This is up off your floor and easy to travel with if you want to take one with you.